Hi everyone, it's Heidi and I have an essential oil tip for you today. Today it's a laundry tip that I've used for quite a while, and I think I've shared this before but the video wasn't that great, so I'm going to share it with you today. This is a laundry stain remover that you can make really easily. The recipe is, I usually put it like in a 2 to 4 ounce little container. It's 1 part unscented castile soap, so you can get it in smaller containers. I happen to get it in half gallon because I make my hand soap and things like that with it. So this is what it looks like. It's like unscented baby castile soap, so you get the liquid kind. So 1 part of that, 2 parts of hydrogen peroxide, which is just your regular, drugstore hydrogen peroxide bottle, and then 10 drops of Young Living lemon oil, and then the rest you just fill with distilled water. And then when you use this on a stain or something that you have on your clothes, I just drip it over the stain because it's pretty liquid, and then I just close it, and then I use the cap to rub in the amount, the stuff that I've put on the stain, and try to get rid of it before I put it in the wash. So that is what we use for stain removal. It works really well, and if you guys have any questions, let me know. I hope this was helpful, and hope you guys have a great day. Take care.